Plaintiff Ernestine Purnell says she and the defendant fell for each other fast, and within a month they moved in together. However, within that same month, they also broke up, and Ernestine's suing her because she damaged Ernestine's property after she brought another woman home. Defendant Jamie Hall says after she started dating Ernestine, she became jealous and controlling, and she had a big problem with Jamie's sugar daddy. Jamie claims her security deposit should cover any damages she caused, so she refuses to pay Ernestine another dime.
Start with you.
Well, I met Jamie at an LGBT event. It's called Detroit Coolest Feminine Studs.
What?
Detroit Coolest Feminine Studs. It's a barbecue they was having.
In Detroit?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. And you know, I like all things Detroit, so when you mention Detroit, you got to talk about it a little. And this is 36th District Court where I was a judge.
Okay.
All right, so you all met at a barbecue.
Yeah. We hit it off. I mean, it was flames. It was hot. You know, she's a hot female. So it was like we
Was
dated.
it hot for you too?
Yes.
All right. Because sometimes it can be just one-sided.
You're not talking about the grill then.
No, it's not the grill. Go ahead.
Everything moved fast. Within a month, her and I moved in together.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and also within that same month, her and I broke up.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
What was it like that month you all were together? Other than hot and heavy.
It was ups and downs. I mean, we didn't agree on a lot of things, and
Because you didn't know each other.
right, Jamie, you know, she had little things she go through.
Look like she about to go through something now. Calm down. Hold on now. Let me get some background from you.
Okay. Yeah, we met or whatever, and it was good. I fell for those eyes of hers. And it's just, she became controlling. She had a problem with a friend of mine, which was my sugar daddy. She didn't have a problem with him at first before we got into a relationship, but it seemed like she just came more and more.
And you told her you dated men?
Well, she did not know that I had a friend, but she found out about it before we even got in a relationship. So it's not like I'm with him, but he just takes care of me when my money is
Sugar daddy's got a little sugar too. Now, I don't know who you kidding. Go ahead.
But she knows about that because she also wanted to listen to it.
I don't know what that is, but let's move along.
She wanted to listen to
I don't know what you're about to say.
Okay.
So whatever, go ahead.
So one incident, we had got into it, and she brought a female to the house. So that's when I got a little upset, and I tore down 2 doors, and I busted
She's suing
the
you
window.
for property damages. Let me allow her to tell me what happened.
Defendant Jamie Hall is being sued by her ex-girlfriend, who claims Jamie destroyed her property in a jealous rage.
Go ahead.
Okay. Well, the incident, we had broke up, and Jamie said we can have friends over. She said we're gonna be roommates because we both on the lease. Okay. I thought she was being for real about it because we had this conversation before. She was so against it. So I brought a friend over.
Was she bringing her sugar daddy over?
No, I at the time, when she said that I knew the sugar daddy, that's a story. How I found out about him, that she was doing something with him through text message, I approached her with it. She tried to lie about it. I'm holding it in my hand. She tried to lie. She started crying. Then she admitted. She said that, you know, he do things for her. She gets money. So this young lady that I brought over, because we still was staying there together.
And you call yourselves broken up?
Right.
We only broke up for, what, an hour?
That's not true, Your Honor.
That is very true.
That's
An
not
hour,
true.
and
That's
she
not
brought
true.
somebody within the hour.
It was like 4 hours.
Oh, no.
Not that long.
It was like 4 hours.
So tell me exactly what happened when that person, did you introduce him and say, this is a friend?
You couldn't bring anyone to the house with Jamie unless it was just your relatives. If she didn't know him, she wouldn't have that. She said this, if you see someone, see them at their place. Don't bring them to the house.
As in someone you're dating
Right,
or cheating with?
right.
What do you think you're supposed to do?
The same thing, but this young lady I wasn't cheating with, I known her for like 8 years.
All right, see, did you say, hey, this is
No,
a friend?
I didn't get a chance. Jamie would sleep on the couch when I brought her in, I was going to introduce her. Jamie was laying there, but Jamie, when we was walking past, the dog was barking and everything. Jamie got up. I seen that look in her face.
The dog knew what time it was.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
So the dog was barking.
Yes, he was barking.
She was awakened by the dog.
I asked Jamie, we have some cards, playing cards. She said no. I was like, all right. So she had this evil look, so I'm like, okay, well, I told the young lady, let's go.
You didn't introduce her?
No.
That would have been the right thing to do. Respectful thing to do.
Could have been, but I didn't do it.
Okay.
I didn't do it. So we went upstairs and I heard a boom, boom, boom. So I'm sitting there and I'm like, hey, what's that? And the young lady was like, I don't know. Boom, boom, boom. I said, well, maybe Jamie want to say something to me. So I go downstairs. I go into the bedroom. The door of the bedroom was on the floor. Jamie was in the closet like throwing everything in the basket. So I walk over and I said, Jamie, are you okay? She's like, yeah, she's sweating and everything. I'm like, so are you moving or you leaving? She said, yes, no, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So I left her be because I ain't never seen her destroy a door before. So I let her be. And I
left out?
Yeah, I left out the bedroom.
Good.
I went back upstairs.
The house. You didn't leave the house?
No, I had to go get the young lady first. We was getting ready to leave. When I went back upstairs and I was like, to the young lady, I think we should go. Boom, 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 another boom, boom, boom. Go downstairs. It's the bathroom door this time. So she was mad. She went slamming open the front door and all that. I guess the neighbors or something from all the commotion called the police.
Good.
Police came. They made fun of it or whatever. And they said, as long as she ain't touching you, it's okay, but this is a civil case. That's what they said.
They didn't ask either of you to leave, her in particular?
No,
for a cooling off period?
No, I don't think so.
Huh?
I packed all my stuff in the car. I was leaving anyway.
When the police came, you were gone?
No, I was
there. But when
there.
they came, they didn't ask you to leave?
No.
Right. We both on the lease.
We both on the lease, so
but there's a cool out. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So people got guns drawn, they fighting and they shoot at each other, and by the time the police come, they got their big guns right in front of them, or the shotguns in their arms. Police get there, well, you're both on the lease, so there's nothing we can do.
Right. Right.
Go ahead. That was bad policing.
Yes.
But go ahead, you all, thank God, didn't kill each other. What happened after that?
When she heard that, the police saying that and laughing and all that, she got on her phone and she all on her phone like, oh, I'm about to tear some more S up. So she slamming, trying to break down the hallway door. That didn't work. She goes to the front door again, slamming open that, dent that doorknob and all. Then the piece of the bathroom door, she threw it. It busted the front window. I called the police. Second time, they came. Different officers. They talked to us. We was outside because I was getting ready to take the young lady home. Jamie had her stuff in her car. She's packing her stuff. So they came. He talked to me. The other officer was talking to her. And he also said, dude, you want me to, she can go to jail. And I said, no, I just want her to stop because we both live here. And to me, because you leaving, you trying to get me thrown out.
That's good policing. Now we're talking good policing.
Defendant Jamie Hall is being sued by her ex-girlfriend, who claims Jamie destroyed her property in a jealous rage.
All right, let's hear from you on what happened.
She claims that this was a friend of hers from 8 years ago, but I did some research and
you suspected that they were messing around?
Yes.
Okay. Mm.
So that's what got me upset. And yes, I did do all of what she said I did. And I left. And I am off of the lease. And when I left from the lease,
okay,
they kept my
I'll get into
security
that
deposit.
once she tells me the ramifications. Now, property damages, what you're suing her about, and rent.
All right. Jamie was gone for like 3 weeks in December. But while she was gone, she was coming back and forth to the house because she's still on the lease. Me and her still was fooling around. She was living with another.
This is after the incident?
Yes. When she came back, I think it was Christmas or before Christmas. She came back. We talked it over, whatever. But her
The
friend,
rent?
We talk the relationship.
I don't care about that no more.
'Cause the
I'm
rent-
done with
rent-
that. Let's
right.
talk about this rent
Okay.
and the damage.
All right, that's in January. Now, January.
What month does she owe for rent?
January.
All right, she didn't pay January's rent.
No.
Did she stay there? When was the last time she lived there?
January the 20th.
Okay, so she should have paid January. You're right. And the amount is $325?
Yes.
All right. And the damage to the door?
It was $37 a piece, 2 doors.
What's the total you want for the property damage?
$70.
That's how you want to ask for your money?
I mean,
You know, you wink your eye, you looked
Well,
up.
Your
If that's
Honor.
how you want to ask for your
Your Honor,
money,
Your Honor.
you think maybe
Oh, Your Honor.
$70?
$70 for
Let's
the
see what
door.
she says. I promise you, she's not going to say, I think maybe.
okay.
She's going to say, I don't owe her nothing, y'all.
I don't owe her anything
See?
because
Now, who you want me to believe? She was very clear and concise. You winked your eye, looked off. So who should I believe, ma'am?
because
She's
when
very
we were
clear. Go ahead.
when we were going through whatever we were going through, she texted me and said, if I come back, I do not have to pay rent for that month. That is why I
What
did not
month?
pay. January.
Did you come back?
Yes. Only because she said I didn't have
When
to
did
pay
you
rent.
come back?
I don't remember exactly what date.
She's lying.
You have any evidence that she forgave the month of January, ma'am?
Yes, through a text message.
Thank you. Which one?
And what do you say to the property damage, the $70 she has asked for?
Oh, when I left for my lease, they kept my security deposit of $337.50.
Your Honor.
That is the money that she should be getting for the $70.
Your Honor.
The $70?
It should be right in that security deposit.
First, let me look at this. You can make yourself happy. If I pay on all the rent, will you come back? And did you come back?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I see a text where you tell her if she moves back, she won't have to pay.
Your Honor. It was December of 2015
That what?
that when she left.
Right.
She came back in January 2016.
You told me she left January 20th.
Yes, she left January 20th. Yes.
A second time, you're
Yeah,
saying.
yeah. She left about 4 or 5 times.
Yeah, I left about 4 or 5 times in this
Okay.
relationship.
So she felt like because she wasn't there, that she shouldn't pay. This is
And you told her she wouldn't have to pay. I can't play games with you guys.
Oh, it's not
Have a
playing
good
no
day.
games.
Your claim is dismissed. You haven't proved it.
Okay.
So go on out here, smile, laugh, all this y'all doing in front of me today, and do what you do, but please don't hurt each other.
Okay,
Your
we
claim
won't.
is
We won't.
dismissed.
We friends.
Maybe.
We friends.